Hey everybody, welcome to Oak Hollow Garage. So it is day 2 of owning the little Honda Z50A. It's I believe a K1, I think it's a K1, 1969 silver tag. I think it's a K1 mostly because of the color. So I was doing a little research, and the K0s came in like silver and red or something, and this one is blue, and that was the K1. So 1969 K1 Honda Z50A. So I took the tank off and took a look at a few things. Cleaned up the case just real quick just to see if it would clean up. Seemed to clean up okay. Took a little bit of inventory. I went ahead and put pressure in the tires. They actually seem to be holding pressure. This one might leak a little bit. Seems softer than it was yesterday. But overall, you know, there's a little bit of surface rust here and there from just scrapes and dings and whatnot on the bike. I went ahead and tried kicking it over. And of course, you know, there's not really any spark or anything, so I took the cover off, and that's all cracked and damaged, so I'm gonna replace that. I was missing a few of the bolts. One bolt is actually stuck inside, so I gotta drill that out and get that out. So I think what I really want to try and do with this is just see if I can get it running. So I think what I'm going to do is just kind of go through real quick and take an inventory of things I want to buy to just try and get this thing running. So it looks like I obviously need a chain. I'm going to get a whole new stator kit. So it'll be the stator and points. Get a plug. I think I'm going to get a new wiring harness because this one's it's frayed a bit in a few spots, so not really sure if that's going to work. I'm going to get some new throttle cable, new brake cables. This is a bit bent down, but I think I'll keep that as it is. Maybe I'll get new brake levers, new handlebars, because this one's bent pretty bad. Not real bad, but it's bent right in here, and you can see that it's obviously not straight up and down. So this took a little hit. I'm not going to worry about headlight and tail light, any of that kind of business. The exhaust actually doesn't seem to have any holes, so I might just leave it as is. So in the short term, I'm going to go ahead and order this should be the ignition coil, so I'll get a new ignition coil, stator kit, plug. The plug wire I think comes, I'm not sure how that comes. That might come part of the coil. And maybe a new wiring harness, a new cover for the, is that the primary drive? Secondary drive? I don't know, for the other side. Oh, fuel line from the gas tank, fuel pack, let's bring it over here to the tank. So the tank, as I knock things over, tank has a little surface rust, but I think it'll hold fuel. Looks like it had a repair a couple of times, so we'll see if it'll hold fuel. Maybe I'll put a little gas in there and just see what happens. Replace this little tie down thing. Like I said, I probably have gas line, so probably okay there. I don't know if petcock works or not, so maybe I'll look at a new fuel petcock, and we'll get that stuff on order, get it brought in. I'll clean this thing up, and we'll get that stuff put on. We'll see if she'll start and go. I give it about a 50% shot, but you never know. So there you go, quick update, day 2 of the Honda Z50, and we'll see where we go from here. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you next time.